9:30. I slept maybe 5 hours. Don't ask me why, it's always like that. I've been working on my phone, watching videos. Anyway.
Bonjour, it's 11. My sleep schedule is totally destroyed. I was on my phone until 3 a.m. Also, I have the cat. He came in the night, cuddles, and I heard him meow and whatever. That's why I'm late this morning, but that's okay. On my phone, like, basically I'm working, creating content. I'm sending my emails at 2 a.m. I don't know how I became this kind of person. I used to wake up at 7:30, then 6:45. I was a student. I was the first one at the opening of the library at 8 a.m. And then I don't know what happened. Adult life, I guess. Anyway, that's the best moment of the day. Breakfast. We're gonna work from home, as usual. Thrifted t-shirt. 501s Levi's, and voila. No shoes for the moment, but no feet for free. It's 5 p.m. to get some groceries, but I couldn't find everything I wanted for tonight, so I'm going to a second supermarket. It's called Monoprix. It is an institution here in Paris, in France. You find Monoprix in every big city. Let's go!
Cette place, vous pouvez toujours trouver en 4
It's 7. We're gonna start cooking dinner. Well, setup is quite good. Alexa, m'enfant. Peanut is having a shower. Okay. Whoa, big paw. Oh my goodness. I love you. Oh my gosh. Anyway, back in the kitchen. I realized I don't have feta. I actually forgot to take it when I went for groceries, so I'm gonna go to the store downstairs and I'm gonna get some. This is something very Parisian. We go for groceries every day, like when we need something, just have to go down the street. It's very different from other countries. Oh, why is it stuck? Alright, I come back. It's actually packed because everybody's going for groceries after work. It's 7:07. Oh, here. I'm gonna get this one. Here's the situation. I put a feta with tomatoes and garlic. I put salt, pepper, herbs. See? Now I'm gonna put that in the oven for about, I don't know, 30 minutes. I just took it out of the oven and this is how it looks. I'm gonna add some honey. Honey. This is the first time I did that. And this is the first time I tried this kind of bread too. Like the baguette that you just put in the oven at home. Alright, let me get a bit of feta. I have to put it back in the oven. I will cook the garlic for tomorrow. That's good. And the bread is good. Have a great night, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. I'm gonna go to bed quite early, I think. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.